Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be using this blast furnace. I got a pretty insane roll. I got rapid hit, keep away, accurate rounds, chambered, and stability masterwork. Put a counterbalance on because this thing does kick a little bit. But dude, this is one of the cleanest guns I've ever used, bro. It's so nice. And yeah, I don't even know what else to say. We're gonna be hopping into some Iron Banner today. We're gonna be rocking this with Duality, Solar Hunter. Here's all my mods and stuff. And yeah, we're going to be using this blast furnace. It's super nice, super easy, 2 bursts. Gives you grenade energy as well with the origin trait. Um, and yeah, it's super nice, and we're going to try and slay out with it. So let's see what happens. Oh my god, we got literally a perfect map for this as well. Eternity. Perfect.
Iron Banner.
Really be able to test the range on this thing. I'm just going to put it at 100 range because it looks better. I don't know if 100 range matters if I have keep away. Like, should I be running chambered or should I be still running full bore? I don't know. If somebody can let me know in the comments,
Fight.
that would be great, because I don't even know, to be honest. Got this point here.
Opponent claims
I'm gonna go peek this long angle because, like, I genuinely think I can 2 burst anybody. Whoever you guys heard, she's gonna jump over.
Zone B captured. Zone
I got that
advantage
one guy,
is
but
yours.
dude, I will say, yeah, this gun does kick a little bit, but on keyboard and mouse, it's not really that much of an issue, I find. I don't know how it feels on controller, so I don't know if my controller players out there like it or not, but um
Zone C captured. 2 zones are yours.
I mean, it's super clean, bro. I don't know what that guy's using. That guy is like that guy's a freak, bro. Let's be honest now. Isn't spawning behind us? Spawn behind us, I think.
Zone
Not.
B lost.
Team shot there, so that wasn't all me, but don't know where that guy's going. I mean, like, the range on this thing is insane. The way it feels is really, really good. I don't know if you guys remember having to, like, farm this thing when it first came out, and you would have to
Zone B captured.
get lucky with whatever site you got.
Press on.
I think it was called, like, the Rasmussen,
Zone
or
C
whatever it was
lost.
called. But you had to get a certain site to get, like, the god roll. Um, now it just comes with that site, so you don't have to worry about going to get the correct site or anything. It just comes with the best scope, and it looks super clean. Low as hell. Don't leave me alone.
Zone C captured. You have the advantage. Press on.
Spawning right here. Easy 2 burst.
Zone
He's right
B
side. I think he's
lost.
going around.
Zone A captured. You have the advantage. Press on.
I didn't even. My brain just farted right there.
Zone C lost.
Take this angle, like really test the range of it. So we almost two burst him. Couldn't get that last shot off, but like
You have the advantage.
obviously if I got that last
Zone
shot
B
off,
captured. Zone A
I kill him
lost.
there. I might have got my teammate killed there by like staying in front of him. I'm so dead. I honestly just blade barrage this. I wanna go blade barrage this. Fucking. My mouse just didn't want to shoot there for a sec. Capture this point, then I think I'm literally just gonna play outside. Like, this thing has so much range. Like, I want to take full advantage of it. Let's go on SMG. There's a guy like on top of me. That was almost really fucking bad. Bro, what just happened? Bro, what just happened? Oh! I'll go into B. I'm gonna go B.
5 minutes left. Sound tactics so far.
Bro, look at the damage.
Zone C captured. Zone advantage is yours.
I will say the one thing like with this gun is I feel like I'm getting people to 1 HP a lot, and I just can't get that last shot off.
Zone C
I don't know if that's just me
lost.
being garbage at the game or what, but wait, his well went away? Alright, bro. Oh, they have a well.
Zone B lost. You're being hunted. Don't let your guard down.
As you guys can tell, I'm not a PvP player.
The howls are quiet. Return to the fight. Opponent claims Zone B.
And neither is he.
Zone C captured. 3 minutes remain. Keep the pressure and you have them. You captured Zone A. 2 zones are yours.
Fuck.
Don't let up till it's over. Zone A lost. Zone B captured. Zone advantage is yours.
I'm so dead. Yeah.
Zone B lost. Press on.
Alright. The gun's good. I'm not very good at this game, bro. I suck ass. Yeah. I really do like the gun. I think it is really, really good. That's honestly all I have to say. Like, it's just a really good gun. Really clean. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.